The Fujifilm X100V is a fixed-lens compact camera, built around an equivalent 35mm f2 lens. The fifth generation in the popular X100 series, the X100V boasts redesigned optics and some meaningful physical upgrades over its predecessors. In addition to the classic styling and enthusiast-friendly ergonomics, the V adds a tilting screen, improved autofocus, and powerful video features. The X100V uses the same 26-megapixel APS-C format CMOS sensor as Fujifilm's current high-end ILCs, and the same highly effective hybrid autofocus system. To make the most out of its new higher-resolution sensor, the X100V features a redesigned lens, with an additional aspherical element. This has led to significant improvements in cross-frame sharpness and close-up performance. Despite the new optics, the X100V is still compatible with the same wide and teleconverters sold alongside previous X100 series models. Thanks to the superior sharpness of the new lens, image quality with the converters attached has also improved. From an operational point of view, the biggest change to the X100V compared to earlier generations is the addition of touch sensitivity and a tilting mechanism to the rear LCD screen. This makes the camera much more versatile, both for waist-level shooting and for video work. Speaking of video, features like 4K 30p recording with the option of 8-bit f-log capture represent the best in the class, and a major upgrade compared to previous generations of the X100 series. With a filter attached to the front of the camera, the X100V is also now rated as weather-sealed. For more information on the Fujifilm X100V, visit dpreview.com.
If you're looking for the perfect go-anywhere camera with a compact design that fits in your purse, pocket, or bag, the Kodak PIXPRO FZ53 friendly zoom camera is the model for you. With 16 megapixels, a 28mm wide-angle lens, and a slim body and design, you'll be able to capture more in every photo with ample clarity and detail. The FZ53 is under $100 and is a great value with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, AC adapter to charge your battery, USB cable for downloading photos, and a wrist strap. This camera takes a standard SD card, which you can purchase anywhere. It also comes in a variety of colors to suit your personal style. This friendly zoom model comes with convenient red-eye removal, face and smile detection to make every photo the perfect shot. In addition to auto mode, the FZ53 is loaded with over 20 manual modes, like portrait, landscape, sport, and 180-degree panorama, to name a few. This means that you can share your creativity and photo skills with the world. To learn more, visit us at kodakpixpro.com. Don't forget to share your photos and videos with us and tell your story.
The Fujifilm X-S10 is a DSLR-style, APS-C format, mirrorless, interchangeable lens camera. Built around a 26 megapixel sensor, the XS10 offers a very photographer-friendly user interface, including a generous grip and a more conventional control layout than many of Fujifilm's previous X-series cameras. Its sensor is stabilized and offers a benefit of between 5 and 6 stops, depending on the lens. Images can be composed either using the 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder or the fully articulating, touch-sensitive rear LCD. Despite its mid-range positioning, the XS10 is a fast and responsive camera, offering continuous shooting at up to 20 frames per second with autofocus, and 30 frames per second with a 1.25 times crop. As well as stills, the XS10 can also be used to shoot 4K and HD video, with support for F-Log, 8-bit 420 internal recording, 10-bit 422 external recording, and the company's popular Eterna color profile. Sockets are provided for a microphone and headphones. Aimed at both enthusiasts and first-time mirrorless ILC buyers, the XS10 offers features adopted from higher-end Fujifilm cameras in a compact and user-friendly body. For more information on the Fujifilm XS10, visit dpreview.com.
So hey guys, I recently came across this camera. It's almost like kind of like a novelty product now, because like the digi camera is out of fashion, but sometimes old is gold. I had one of these cameras when I was growing up, and I just bought it, just for like old time's sakes. But although I was just thinking it's just a normal camera, it actually has like a lot of features, and it's actually very good. You can actually take a lot of high quality picture and store it. So you have a like a memory card here, right? You just put it back in and just push it here, and you can slide it. Now you have a removable battery here. So like it actually comes with 2 different batteries, so you can charge, rotate one of these. It's actually very good for vlogging. You can just take this and vlog. There's a tripod port here, so you can just lock it and vlog wherever you're going. It's it has an amazing battery life. It's very easy to use. You just have to press this button and it starts. It has a very good welcome sign, and then you just have to select everything here, and then you just come to the main camera page, and it's very simple to just take pictures here. Taken. It's equally simple to zoom in and zoom out. There's a button here, W, and zoom out, and then there's a button to take a video here too. It's very simple, and I would highly recommend this. Also a flash, so if you wanna go and select flash, you can do it, and it will allow you to take pictures in the night. I think it has a charger here, so you don't even have to take out the batteries to charge it. You can directly plug it in. You can charge your camera. This is an amazing novelty product, and I think it's not that expensive, and I would highly recommend you to go and buy this.